Good morning, Manoy Pio and DZGB listeners. Just maray na aga tabi sa inyo, boss. Yes po, Manoy Pio.
Opo, we are pleasured enough na yaong ka po sa programa. No? BM, primero po, nagdimitir ka kasuhapon sa sarong komite na sensitibo, igwanin na dakulaon na obligasyon sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Committee on Laws. Can you please inform us what were the reasons behind? Go ahead, we'll listen, Tabe.
Yes po. First of all, Manoy Pio, Committee on Laws, Rules and Oversight po yan.
Opo.
Previously, Manoy Pio, ang committee was a Committee on Laws and Oversight, but it was now combined with the Committee on Laws, Rules, Internal Rules and Oversight. And one of the most active and one of the most busiest committee sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan kang probinsya kang Albay. Well, anyway, Manoy Pio, as you know naman po na I have been holding the chairmanship. Alam naman kang boss na I've hold the chairmanship of Committee on Laws, Rules and Oversight for almost 7 years. Since I tinawanan kitang tsansa kang bilog na probinsya as in kang premier distrito na maging board member. And after a very long talks and discussion as in pag-ururun with all the members of the Sanggunian, including our new members also, I finally decided to withdraw and turn over also the Committee on Laws, Rules and Oversight sa bago ng chairman nun yan. Initially, I was under the impression the chairman who I nominated would be BM Rolly, but nag-decline man siya and he turned it over to BM Vince Baltazar. I believe naman po, Manoy Pio, na it's in a capable hand. They're very familiar with it and I think they will be able to handle it diligently.
Iyo po.
For the reason man, Manoy Pio, wala man na very basic. I believe it will be in a more convenient direction sa INDA, both for foresight and for procedural. So I believe na mas makaka-adhere SINDA, they will have more open doors for this matter. And more so, they have a more so because we are all naman in the same administration, more so na ma-comprehend din dao ang requests and incoming communications for the approval of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. To be able for them to present it better to the plenary on this matter.
Iyo po. Now, the way I see it, pardon kung tama o sala ang pagsakuyang pag-asabot tabi BM Vic, I was listening intently.
Yes.
Kumbaga, i-render kwenta mo na lugod sa INDA, tanganing mas mahiwas ang latitude kung anong gusto ninda, madali na maakomodra diyan sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan so mga dapat na asikason man kan Committee on Laws, Rules and Oversight tabi Kinatawan Vic.
Actually, it will not be easier kundi I believe na because we are still there, the whole Sanggunian naman is there to still review questions and ask anything under the sun. If they are going to present something, and not only that, I'm still a member of the committee, except that the chairmanship is now Vince Baltazar.
Opo. Gura ano ko totoo, you may or may not confirm or may not answer po. Gura ano ko totoo na this was triggered upon because of indifferences with the Kinatawan Rolly Tabe?
Wala pa na differences. I wouldn't categorize it as differences, but rather only for procedural and directions on this matter. I believe na it would be best, it would be handled by on them, and at the same time, makafocus naman ako sa sakuyang other obligations and responsibilities under the Sangguniang Panlalawigan and in my district also.
So kumbaga,
The differences of opinion, Manoy Pio, and at the same time outlook, di man talaga yan mahahali sa Sanggunian. That's the whole purpose of having a Sangguniang Panlalawigan, to have a very healthy discussion and present for the people kung ano po sabi ang tama, kung ano man ang mga na-obserbaran kang bawat saro ng mga board member, or if you are in the city, kagawad or konsehal. Di man talaga siya mahali. But of course, what we are maintaining is to have it a healthy discussion, have a healthy outlook always, and set aside always first political affiliations on the matter. Because siyempre, sa bagay, election is over.
yeah.
There is no more need. In fact, as you can see naman, Manny Pio, everyone in the Sanggunian is supportive of the new administration for this matter. Because we had the talk naman on this na we should have magkasararo, mapa-improve dirare ang Albay. And I believe tama man ito po.
BM, baka maputol tabi ako po ang maridayal, ano po.
Sige po, sige po.
Now, why, there are those who are curious enough, why na primero mong pinag-nominar si BM Rolly, which he cordially, kumbaga, pinag-decline niya, and ipinag-nominar mo lugod si Kinatawan Vince over duman sa sabi igwaning mga nagpapabutuan ng idea na dapat kuntaan na abogado ang nagakaputkaan kay Kinatawan Melissa Abadesa. How would you react on it, tabi Kinatawan?
Because Manny Pio, we had initial talks naman on this one. We had a nagururo ng po kami. And I talked to PM Melissa also. I asked her if she will be favorable. Would you like to take the chairmanship? Because she used to be my vice chairman. And at the same time, she's still my member during my time. And kinaurong ko man si board member Ronnie, na sabi ko, PM, I will have to withdraw my chairmanship on loss already. And kinaurong ko man si Vince. Of course, with due respect also to the members, kinaurong ko man sila na I will be withdrawing my chairmanship to the Committee on Laws. And okay man kami. Siyempre, of course, maybe a last-minute change of mind. Tinaw naman kay BM Vince, who is also capable. But of course, out of respect and seniority, mas senior man sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan si BM Rolly compared kay BM Vince Baltazar.
Ayun, opo. So, did Kinatawan Melissa, being an attorney, abogado at that, nag-decline sa initial na hururo nindo tabi na kaputan-an na komite?
Yes. Nag-decline man siya. I think she has a lot on her table also. She's very busy at the moment. And secondly, but she did not decline to be a member. She is still a member of the Committee on Laws. So, member man siya. Maski ako po, I'm still a member. Chairmanship and vice chairman is now, the chairman will now be Vince Baltazar. And vice chairman will be Rolly Rizal. For that matter. And the members, kaminduan ni Melissa Abadesa and board member Jasen from the 3rd District, another member.
There are those na nag-postulate kan ideya na dainagad pwedeng pakaputan daw yung ki Attorney Abadesa Kinatawan because he comes from the different side of the political scene sa Sangguniang tabi.
At the moment, wala man sides yet at Sangguniang Panlalawigan. In fact, everybody is supportive and working as one. In all honesty, everybody is supportive and working as one talaga in support of the administration. I believe siguro some people or other people would like to put politics on the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, but there is no politics yet I don't know.
Duman ako nagka-interest sa iyet.
Wala man talaga, Manny Pio. Wala man talaga. Very supportive ang Sangguniang at for that situation at the moment. On that note, we're very confident all other matters that will be presented to the Sangguniang. We'll have a healthy discussion for that matter. As you can see, and as you, I'm sure man, will be man live ang Sangguniang, I believe. And hiling man duman ang healthy discussion. At the same time, minsan nga nagjo-joke pa ako. Always, I try to put in a little jest during our proceedings.
Okay, now naputol na tabi board at nag-apod giraray ako kay BM Vic naputol na yung call natin. Okay, so yan na nag-ring So board tabi now kindly qualify na there is no politics including itong sa pag-dimiter mo sa chairman tabi over.
There is no politics involved for my withdrawal as the chairman. In fact, it was we all talked about it. Maray na hururon, maray na absorption, maray na reception man. For everyone, even the vice governor, maray sa reception. Of course, in fact, the first person who asked me to why he withdraw was the vice governor, who is very concerned man syempre sa kuya as in sa pilog ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan, si Vice Governor Rex. Haloy na mapulinig, Manny Pio, but definitely it is there is no politics on the withdrawal for this matter.
Opo. Kinatawan tabi.
I don't know na lang sa ibang tao, Manny Pio, kung na ganitang politics. Decision also. Data man napupunan yan.
Sabi na nga ni Baga, iyet,
Doon na little gesture tato yan.
Opo, now, Kinatawan tabi, ano pang komite ang kaput mo dyan sa Sangguniang?
I still have one of the most very controversial, kundi very active and very busy committee. Kaput ko pa po ang Committee on Energy. As of the moment.
Jesus Mario.
And we are still continuing to process and absorb and keep all data and information. So, yun yan, mahiling muna po, Manny Pio, na although I did let go of the Committee on Laws, I still have one of the most busy and as of the moment, syempre, very talked about committee, which is the Committee on Energy.
Yes.
Where in fact, Manny Pio, we just finished our committee hearing on energy mga 1 week ago with all the board of directors ng
Aleco
and NEA. I had to invite them to the Sangguniang and give us a brief. Bako nga ni siya brief because we lasted for almost 2 hours.
Iyo nga niyo. No. So naging interesante pa ako at Kinatawan Vic. Committee on Energy, iwalat tango na parametra so pagdimitir mo sa Committee on Laws, Rules and Oversight, tabi. Committee on Energy, ano ang nahugot mo duman sa indong pinagibong pag-committee hearing na data gabos-gabos, would it suffice or would it support duman sa ginibukan Special Annual General Membership Assembly na putulon ang concession agreement with the Albay Power and Energy Corporation, tabi?
You see, Manny Pio, when I conducted the committee hearing on the Committee on Energy, I only invited one side. In the foresight, I don't want to prolong the proceedings. Kasi pag in-invite ko together with the APEC on this matter, baka kasi maging sirimbagan during my time, and you know naman our time there is quite limited. So I had to get really the gist, the whole information and data that was presented by the Aleco board, how they did arrive this decision to conduct a SGMA for this matter. But on the side of APEC, I do not have their complete and full information yet. Where in fact, I will only be scheduling po Manoy Pio meeting with APEC this coming session pa lang sa next week po.
Yes.
Ma-schedule na po kami. And everybody is invited naman. But very strict lang ako na I don't want cross-talking to give it concrete time to the person who is only recognized for that matter. So APEC will have its turn also. So data on the side of ALECO, I think what is being submitted along with the NEA data that they have gathered in their audit. So di pa submit po man sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan under the Committee on Energy. Yeah. So that the committee and its members can review also. Siyempre, pigyapot niman, siyempre, one of the most basic questions there. But, of course, I hope we have studied this decision and we are well prepared as to the outcome and result that this action was taken. And number two, siyempre, we also ask ALECO board what will now be the process. So it's still in the notifying process po, Manoy Pio. There are still exchanges of communication between ALECO, APEC, and NEA at the moment until matapos po yan na period. And what other but I believe under the concession agreement, Manoy Pio, there is arbitration for this matter. That should be complied with. So, iyaw pa lang kita dyan sa exchanges of communication and notices by and between ALECO and APEC and NEA.
Opo. So, Board Tabi, insofar as kung ano ang magiging findings kan Committee on Energy dyan sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, would it be material duman sa desisyon kan Special General Membership Assembly na pinutol na sa concession agreement? Kaipuhan pa ba yan sa indong findings dyan? At maapod pa lang kita kan APEC tapos sa ALECO. Relevant pa ba yung findings ng committee o recommendations kan committee, Tabi?
Oh yes, very much po ang relevant kang committee. In fact, we can send our findings all the way to the Department of Energy, NEA, and the ERC for this matter. Very independent man po ang Committee on Energy, and our findings shall be presented to the plenary. Be approved also by the members tabi ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan. And at the same time, we can send the findings to the Department of Energy, to the Secretary, to NEA, the Board of Administrators kang NEA. We can even send it to the President for this matter and the House of Representatives and all the Chairman of Energy sa Senate, Chairman of Energy man tabi po sa House of Representatives to give them also a full outlook if there were any lapses or even kung ano, even to recommend and support the actions. Diba? Pwedeng araw ka yan, pwedeng araw ka na yan. But syempre, what is crucial and important is syempre the data that was collected by the committee during this matter.
Opo. Now, would it be safe to say na as of now, dai pa nin rekomendasyon ta siyempre nagdadangog pa kamutabi kan ambuslados sa Kinatawan?
Day pa po. Very basic pa lang po. So, submitted sa MUYA. We are still awaiting the submission of the NEA findings.
Iyo po. So,
as a whole. And at number two, we are also awaiting to have the invitation sent out to APEC and invite them also for what their other concerns are also. Siyempre, after that, I believe it would also be sufficient to invite stakeholders what might be their stand on this matter. Sa totoo ni Ken Manoy Pio, during our committee hearing tang ALECO, arang makaulog man ako, na-invite ko sa Albay Chamber. Actually, alam ko na dapat ko i-invite ko. My mistake. It was my mistake. Pagka umuyaw na sinda duman, they were able to express their concerns mo, But technically talaga, they could have invite to chamber. Ano man daw ang nangyari sa kuya, it was my mistake. But I were able to conduct it very diligently also and very informal man sa kuya and the members during the time.
Opo.
So that's where we are right now, ang Committee on Energy. And as you know naman, it is one of our very medyo magian pa ang pagmati dahil ipakita na brown out or
coming na i-informer ko sa inyo in advance, coming na tabi Kinatawan Vic.
Yes, I know. Kita po, Manny Pio, because we are very well informed and we know the truth or we know the situation. Medyo kita ang pagkukurang. Mga tao, medyo kulang ng information. Magian ang pagmati, diba? Pero coming na sabi niya.
Well, so dai pa makapaluwas ang Sangguniang Committee on Energy nin rekomendasyon kon pabor sa pagputol na ito kan concession agreement o bako tabi pending pa kan sa indong pagdadangog ka Kinatawan.
Yes. I want this to be very proper. I want this to be very full of information and data. Bako lang kundi desisyonan o tawanan na rekomendasyon kang committee. Siyempre po, I think ang pag-iling ko po, Manitio, I am under a microscope right now.
Correct.
Ang bilog na committee kang energy is under a microscope. We are being observed by everyone because very crucial man ini.
Iyo po.
I'm very busy on this. Sa totoo lang po, Manitio, I'm very busy on this gathering data. And in fact, I'm also awaiting all the data from NEA. This week, if they are not able to submit the data that we requested during the committee hearing, we will now be obligated to send them again notice to submit now to the committee members.
Iyo po.
To the committee and its members the data, including the audit that they conducted. Kaya naghahala talaga man kami na difícil na recommend or send out anything or i-announce anything na kulang kami sa data.
Iyo po.
Siyempre, ang tao madadagit sa mo.
Yes, oo.
Pwedeng pakuong kami kan tao sa mga rekomendasyon na gigibuhon ni.
Iyo po.
And talagang we are under a microscope right now, including all the members of the Committee on Energy.
Iyo po. Now, Tabi Board, will you hold on and dahil ka daw Tabi give up kung igwaning pressures sa mag-inibong nila daw sa chairmanship mo man dyan sa energy naman Tabi.
Baka nga Manoy Pio, that is also cross it to be really honest. Manoy Pio, aram mo, tawo man sa nakita. A lot of things crosses my mind at pag-iisipan ko mali.
Naputol ano. So naputol Tabi girara ano. So yun na nga niyan naputol. So naglalaog man sa isip ni Kinatawan Vic ang mga posibilidades manugod sa bagay na yan Kinatawan. Opo, go ahead po Tabi Giraray, naputol ka po, go ahead po.
Opo, to continue po Manitio, siyempre a lot of things crosses my mind and I believe na siyempre it is a very difficult situation, not only for me po, pero sa bilog na Albay. And I hope ma-realize ka tamo na yan. We should extract ourselves first sa mga situation na except that we should put ourselves in a more realistic manner. Ilata sa more prudent and realistic, practical kita because difficile malaad na we think na everything will be okay. Iba po ang maputulang kuryente or malaad kita. I remember during the time na nawara kita, I think 3 days, kitang nawara katong panahon.
2013.
Yes, and ang business effect during the time was horrible. Talaga po, Manoy Pio, it affected everything. And dahil pa kita nagkakaluwas po, Manoy Pio, sa pandemic. Dahil pa kita natapos sa disaster na tinaon ni Typhoon Rolly. Dahil pa kita natapos sa disaster na tinaon ni Typhoon Quinta. And very grateful lang kita tinamaan ni Carding. Typhoon Carding, could you just imagine, So inagihan tang highly improbable baga kang nakaaging taon. State of calamity to pandemic, state
Iyo
of
po.
calamity kay Rolly, state of calamity kay Quinta, state of calamity kay Ulysses. And swerte lang kita kay itong kita tinamaan ni Sonia during our time.
Iyo po, iyo po.
Kung naramdaman, apat na state of calamity ang tuminama sa Albay kay itong time na ito. So, hopefully, bako man kita ma-state of calamity due to electricity.
Ayan nga. Tama na siguro itong state of calamity sa Ruli sana.
Oo, difficile talagang more calamities. Kasi every week baga po ito.
Iyo po, sige po.
Every week. So, right now, we're very confident. I hope Aleco and it's are thinking very well, and I'm sure they are. They're all very intelligent people. I've met them before and met them during the committee meeting, and I'm sure na we will have also the side of APEC very shortly also.
Opo. Sige tabi, BM Board, it was nice having you sa program. It's an honor. Salamat, mabuhay ka in regard sa Pamilya Tabi.
Thank you very much po, and thank you for calling Manang Pio, and sayang, I know you know my father also. He's celebrating his first birthday in heaven this coming September 30.
Aba, ba?
Ayan.
Oo. Makuan
Opo,
siya.
opo.
Ma-birthday, no? Oo, si...
Ma-birthday na si Papa, si Senator Big Ziga, ano niya na September 30. Kaya medyo ma-disappearing ako sa birthday nito. Yaon ako sa kampusan ko kaya.
Sige po. Sige po, tabi.
Thank you,
God bless,
Manny Pio.
God bless.
Thank
Sige.
you po, and thank you sa gabos na nagdadangog. Thank you very much po.
Thank you so much. Si Board Member Vic Ziga Jr. kan First District of Albay.